Trap Watchers, what's going on? Today's August the 17th, 2021. Blackberry. We got to talk about Blackberry today. I'm glad you all clicked on the video because we're going to speak on where we're looking for the price to go. I mean, look at my chart. We've been tracking the market in Blackberry since what? Let me see. When was this? July the 20th. And we were already under the premise of looking for this particular stock to go higher in price. And look at it. I mean, it's a complete dud. The market hasn't even given us too much emphasis of market strength. We need to talk about this. We need to see if the party is over for Blackberry, because the market, as you can see, is not giving us our expectations. And when you get that, you need to act accordingly. Whenever you come into the market and you see that the price is not giving you what your expectations were, at some point you need to come in and reevaluate it. So we're going to do that today. So welcome. You guys want to join the team? You're more than welcome to. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. One thing we do not do here is that we do not tell you that everything is a buy, because that is ridiculous. To think that everything always goes up in price and that you're going to increase profitability that way. I mean, look at Blackberry. The price has been in a downtrend ever since June 3rd, 2021. So all of the videos that has been posted on social media talking about Blackberry, talking about the price is going to go higher, and look at the result. It continues to go down. Those people ought to be ashamed of themselves of creating these type of videos only to put you in some very bad positions. Many of them even tell you to buy the dip, right? They do, not knowing that the price is still weak. This is why we're here. We want to have your back because we want you to have our back whenever we come into the market. We need someone to be real with us. We need somebody to tell us, hey, look, it's up to you, but the chart is weak. The chart is still anticipated to drop in price. So you can do you, but just understand that from the market, this price is anticipated to drop. We're for you. That's what we do. So if you guys want to join the team, hit the like button, share, subscribe. You know the run of the mill that everyone else on their channel is trying to get you all to do. If you appreciate us, we definitely will value you to come and join our team. So now let's talk about this, because it becomes frustrating when you have a prediction on a chart and it doesn't go the way you expected it to go. I mean, the last time we did our price prediction in Blackberry was on July the 29th, right? We did a follow-on video with the premise that the market was going to continue to give us some strength, with the premise and understanding that based off what occurred on July the 28th, that yeah, the strength into the market in Blackberry was still on point, that the market was still giving us some information to substantiate that our price prediction was still valid. But take a look at the performance. Like the market is a complete dud. It's dead. Nobody's trying to come in and prop up this price in Blackberry. And when you see that, the price can only go one way. So what I'm going to do, I wanted to come in, clean up this chart because it's getting dirty. We got a lot of information following our price prediction. I think we may need to get rid of this. And when you understand the market, you begin to realize I may need to cut my losses right here because the price is still showing weakness. So let's get rid of this one. Okay, so if we were to get out right now, we'll be down around 9.6%. Okay. So let me go ahead and take that away. Now the question is, do you think the party is over for Blackberry? I.e., do you think the price is done with going higher? Let's see. Let's look at the market first on this 2-day time frame, because you can see here that the price in Blackberry is still following an upward trend. That is going to be vital. Period. We need to see this market price hold this trend, because under any circumstance, if we break this long-term trend in Blackberry, we already know that we're going to come a lot lower in price. So we got to be prepared for that. We got to anticipate it. This is how you're able to forecast the market. So already my intention is focusing on what is the probability of Blackberry's price breaking this long-term trend. Because you can see that the market in Blackberry closed on an area of support, which is right here. Okay, because when the market came down to around like $9.60, we bounced from there, right? We bounced. So we can follow that same particular type of notion again. We did it right there on this 2-day price bar from July the 26th, and we did it again on July the 16th. But the problem is that we didn't get any follow through, meaning the market could not sustain that support area. We only hit restriction around 11 and we continue to fall down. So that means that all of this pressure, all of this weakness, all the way back from June, it is still hindering this price progression of higher movement. It is. So my attention is seeing this market in Blackberry come all the way down at least to $9, right? I can see that happening. So I need to create in my mind that even though I'm not seeing any strength, I got to anticipate how low can this particular stock go. And I'm seeing $9 right now, which will move us into breaking that ascending line. You can see that right there. This is the 3-day. Okay, we just completed the 3-day time frame in Blackberry, and this is why I'm looking for the market to go lower. We've ended the last 3-day price bar in Blackberry on the low of the price bar. And then secondly, like we got to understand that people, when they come into these particular markets, they're actually putting energy in this space. And when you put energy, you expect to see some type of result from your energy. So if I'm a buyer in the market in Blackberry, I'm placing my energy to try to increase the price so I can grab the bag, so I can win, so I can make more money than what I actually originally put in, right? And when you don't get that, you got to understand that there's a little bit more strength or energy that is pushing the pressure down, right? So look at this. When you look at Blackberry, okay, over the last couple of 3-day price bars, we've seen to where the market wanted to go higher, right? We've seen it right here. And we got rejected numerous times on 3-day price bars, right? Understand, if the market truly was strong, we would have seen the price break above this line that I've just drawn, this horizontal line, but it didn't. That is why on this last completed 3-day price bar, the price dropped, which lets me know that we're about to go to a different price level. Okay, right there. This is the 5-day time frame. Again, all of this is weakness. So the market here in Blackberry, there's no one really interested in buying up this particular stock right now. So for anyone who tells you to buy the dip, you might be buying into a losing cause because this market is giving us nothing but weakness. So let's run it. Now, the only thing I'm going to tell you, the only thing that will go against our prediction of seeing this price go lower would be for us to see this price grab this ascending line and the market moves higher. That's it. Besides that, the market is geared to see lower prices. So that's the only thing that we need to be on guard for, that we need to be on the lookout for. Okay. So like $10.75, $11, as long as the price in Blackberry does not break above $10.75 or $11, we understand that the weakness is still present, which means that this prediction would be valid. Now, the first area would be around $9 for us to grab some market profitability, for us to come in and take the bag, to meet the market there and say, give me that, right? Give me that money. Give me my profit. Right there around $9. That gives around 7%. It's decent because we already understand that that would be the next level that Blackberry could come towards, and we see the market prop up price. Okay. So that's the first area. The second area would be down here towards $8.45, $8.50. Okay. Now that, look at this. It moves us over into consolidational trading rather than us keeping in line with the ascending line, doesn't it? So be prepared to see the market in Blackberry transition over from this to where we're keeping the price above this ascending line to this. Just trading sideways. Be prepared for that. But this is it. This is what we're going to expect to see into the market in Blackberry, because honestly, you know, seeing the market in Blackberry prop up price around 965 a couple of times back here in July, we can see that again. So from out the gate, yeah, we can see the price go higher because we've been there before, to where Blackberry was able to bring price up once it hit $9.65. So I can see that happening too. But right now, this is the play. This is what we're looking forward to into the market in Blackberry, okay, over the next couple of days. So now, if you see something totally different, I mean, that's cool. Let me know. Drop me a comment in the comment section, right? You see the chart for what it is. You may see something that I didn't point out, which is great. Let everyone know on our team, what did you see that we did not address? But hey, let's not make this complicated, all right? I'm not about that confusion. The market is not supposed to be complex. It's just supposed to be buying and selling. That's it. So let's not introduce all of that confusion here on this channel. All right, so join me. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.